the latest collection of garden design ideas, 2024. Welcome to our latest collection of garden design ideas for 2024. Get ready to be inspired by the hottest trends and creative landscaping concepts that will transform your outdoor space into a paradise. From sustainable gardening to modern minimalist designs, we've got it all covered. Watch our video to discover innovative planting techniques, stunning hardscape ideas, and tips on creating a harmonious oasis right in your backyard. Immerse yourself in the world of cutting-edge landscape designs, sustainable gardening practices, and artistic inspiration that will redefine your outdoor sanctuary. From urban oases to wild, natural retreats, this video is your gateway to creating a garden that reflects your unique style. Discover innovative planting techniques, materials, and expert insights to elevate your gardening game. Explore the future of garden design with our latest collection of garden design ideas for 2024. Immerse yourself in a world of horticultural innovation and creativity as we unveil the trends that will define outdoor spaces in the coming year. From high-tech smart gardens to eco-friendly landscapes, our video is a treasure trove of inspiration for every gardening enthusiast. Discover unique planting ideas, cutting-edge materials, and expert tips to elevate your garden to a whole new level. Step into the future of gardening with our exciting collection of garden design ideas for 2024. Dive deep into the world of innovative landscaping, sustainable practices, and aesthetic inspiration that will redefine your outdoor space. Our video showcases cutting-edge concepts, from futuristic urban gardens to timeless classical designs. Learn from experts, discover unique plant varieties, and gain insights into creating the garden of your dreams. Get ready to embark on a journey through the most exciting garden trends and creative inspiration that will shape your outdoor haven in the year ahead. From eco-conscious landscapes to modern oasis retreats, this video is your ultimate guide to cultivating a stunning garden. Explore imaginative planting techniques, breathtaking hardscape concepts, and expert tips for nurturing your green paradise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest in garden design trends.